Hello everyone and welcome to our Python beginner series. Today we'll look at what Python variables are. So what are Python variables? A variable is like a container that holds a value, like a number or a word. And in Python we use variables to store and manipulate data in our programs. So for example, let's say you want to store your favorite color in a variable. We will create a variable called favorite color and set it equal to blue in my case. And now anywhere in our program we can use the variable favorite color to refer to the color blue. And in this case, as I said, the favorite color is the variable and then blue is the value of the variable favorite color. It doesn't end here. We can store more than our favorite color in a variable. We can store numbers or even full sentences. And so let us get into PyCharm and then we will see how Python variables work. So here inside PyCharm, I have created a variables.py file, which we learned how to do in the previous tutorial. But if you have forgotten, you can right click on the folder, in my case, the project folder itself, and then choose new, and then Python file. Here you can type the name of the file you want to create, and then you press return or enter on your keyboard, but I'm not going to do it because I've already created it here. So let's just try and then create the variable of our favorite color. So favorite. And in programming, if you want to declare a variable which is made up of more than one word, we don't separate them with spaces like we do in a regular language. By convention, we use underscores to replace the spaces, or you can also type the full word in camel casing. So I'll use an underscore to separate them, and then here we set the value to be blue. And notice how I've placed the blue in a single quote. If you want to type anything, we will get to know why it is in single quotes in the next tutorial. But if you want to type anything which is not a number or true or false, you put it in a single or double quotes. And then let's also try and declare other things like our favorite number. So the favorite number, I will set it equal to 7. And because this one is, oh, I forgot the equal sign. Because this one is a number, I don't put it in quotes, I leave it as it is. And so, like we saw in the previous tutorial, if you want to display things to the terminal, we can use the print function in Python to do that. So when we print our favorite color or our favorite number, let's print the color first, and then we right click and then run variables. We see that our favorite color has been printed in the terminal as blue. And if we change this one to our favorite number and then we run it again, you see that it will print the number 7 for us. And then I said we can store not just numbers, but we can store full sentences. So let's just store quotes. Let's say programming is fun. And then let's put some exclamation there. So here we will change this to quotes. And then we run our file again. And then we see that it is printed down here that programming is fun. So we can use these variables anywhere in our program, assuming it's a very complex program. We can declare some variables or for constants. We can declare variables for so many things. So this is how we declare variables, and this is how we also try to print things to our terminal for the user to see. So in the next video, we'll look at what data types are and how to work with data types in Python. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.